welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursdays. So I entered a special international competition celebrating women in sport. And the brief was just to come up with an image that celebrated women in general. Some kind of image that depicted inspirational female figures to... Oh, dear. What is it? We're talking about inspirational female figures. Are you one of those? You're a strong independent woman. Yes, you are. Good. So this week. This week I entered an international competition celebrating women in sport. The brief was just to come up with an image just depicting women in sport in general, following the England football team's, the Lionesses' victory in Europe. So I thought I'd turn to my strong female independent woman mannequin, who will be henceforth known as Queen. I thought I'd turn to her for inspiration. So she is going to feature in this week's painting, and it's going to depict herself looking up, ready to conquer a mountain, maybe looking to the sky and seeing outlines of what she can become. If you can see it, then you can be it. Since found out that we did not win, unfortunately all the 5 winners and creators that were chosen were digital artists. Pesky Digital Art wins once again. No surprises there. Well done to the winners. But we must be gracious in defeat and say a hearty well done to the winners for their creations. Isn't that right, Queenie? All right. Enough of that, Queen. We're going to be gracious in defeat, Queen. You're a winner in my eyes. I'm proud of you. Since last week, I also painted this, which was a special for patron Darren, who's a fan of Eminem in 8 Mile. He got his 18-month reward of an A4 canvas of his choice. Don't forget, if you want to join me on Patreon, you may do so if you go here, patreon.com/Scenescapeshop, where you get a free print every other month, as well as access to my online art classes if you go for the higher tiers. Discount all year round and all that jazz, and as you've just seen, an 18-month reward for your support with the painting of your choice from the film of your choice or a landscape of your choice, whatever you want, you get to keep it. Okay, we'll jump straight in, shall we? This, I should say, is an image that also led to me painting something else, which was on a premium panel board, which I'll show next week. So the next week's painting is something very similar, of just looking up to mountains, but maybe not with the women in sport depicted in the clouds. And next week's painting will be called Conquerors. We'll give Queenie a chance to lick her wounds. I'm sure she'll be back stronger than ever. Heroes come back stronger after all. It's Coffee Break Thursday. You know what to do. Pop that kettle on, mix up a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.